did you actually meet up with the dancer first?
Oh no, it was actually organized by the EMCC. The organizer actually put us in like a Zoom discussion channel. Then we were just discussing like which dancer like we would pair up with. Like we were just discussing like how we make our own stuff. Then after the pair was decided on, they actually like gave our numbers to one another. Then we would like further discuss on Telegram and all that before actually start on the whole collaboration. Yeah, that's about it actually.
Then how did she decide what to do? Do you know?
I have zero idea. I only know like why she decided on the dance she made in the end product video itself, where she actually explained like her inspiration and like the reason why she danced that way and all that. Yeah.
Then when you received the video, you actually didn't know what she was thinking about lah, because you didn't have the look at the behind the scenes video yet.
Oh
You
yeah.
only saw the dance.
I only saw a dance, and the dance was really different from what she initially told me she would like dance. Because I think first she was like more contemporary, but then after that it became like kind of like a mixed kind of dance. Yeah, so it was really different from what I was expecting. Yeah, that's about it actually. There's minimum of communication actually between this collab. So it's mostly like just surprise each other so that it doesn't ruin the end reaction. Yeah.
So your whole thinking process is in the video that is on the EMCC YouTube channel now. Is there anything, and I encourage everybody who haven't watched it to go and watch the whole thing. Anything else that was not captured in that video?
I think for the process, I think I talked like a bit more. Like I think at first they wanted me to say at least like 3 to 5 minutes of like processes. So I think for the video editing, they cut to like the more interesting parts. Yeah, that like they can garner views from. Yeah, very. Yeah. So I think I forgot what I said actually that they didn't edit in, but it was mostly just like how I process the different elements like the percussion, what instrument I use, and the reason why why I why I like group the different parts at different parts. Yeah, just like the thought process or yeah, that's all.
So for benefit of anybody who's like just wandered in and didn't realize what happened, there was this dancer. What's her name again?
Amanda.
Amanda, right? And then Amanda danced according to her own rhythm without any music. And then the video was passed to Jun Lin, and then Jun Lin had to write music to fit the dance instead of the other way around, which is the traditional way. And this is called reverse choreography. And how did you make your music fit her rhythm? How did you make it fit?
At first, I saw the video. I was like kind of like what's that word? Like a bit shocked because like kind of hard to be honest. Because usually like from the Steezy ones, like the video series that To the Beats was based on, like most of the dancers were like very hip hop based style. Like they just can all their moves are like on the beats, and like I think you can produce like more way easier like on those tracks. But for the dancer I was pairing, it was more like contemporary, like those like mop the floor, swing hands, all that. Yeah, legit, and the waves and all that. So like it's harder to actually like pair the music with. I think it's mostly like just huge movements. I think so. I have to like try to segment the dance into like different parts, like parts whereby she's moving like more like the traditional big movement contemporary style, as well as like parts whereby there's like more small movements where I think can add like percussion and all that. Yeah. It was quite strange at first when I look at the video. Yeah.
In fact, how were you able to synchronize since it's not like on the beat like a hip hop one?
There was like quite a few issues. Like the first issue is mostly like the technical issue. Like because I don't know how to put the video in the DAW itself. So every time I want to see whether the music sync, I have to like pre-play it, then I'll tap, then play the video. Then if it doesn't sync, I need to redo it again. Yeah. So a lot of very troublesome like the out tapping process. Then the syncing part, because actually because we already fixed on what BPM to use, so like it kind of make the syncing part easier. So like no matter what I play, at least it's kind of on the beats itself. Yeah. Or even though like yeah. Yeah.
Hey, that's good. You know, Yarra did not tell me what BPM she was on again.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah. It turns out that I was actually writing music at a different BPM from what she was dancing.
Oh, no wonder. Oh, I see. Okay. I see. Then oh yeah, because like before we actually started working on it, like me and Amanda kind of agree on like what BPM we like should make to. So like in the end, it worked. Like we just was making, I think it was 113 or something, 113 BPM if I remember correctly. Yeah, so we just fix to that, then we just do everything according to that beat. But I think because of some human errors, there was actually some parts where the beats doesn't really like the dance doesn't really hit on the beat itself. So I have to slightly like delay the percussion or whichever to like fit the dance better. Yeah.
I see. I see. This is okay. Yeah, there's a lot of, I think, trial and error having to go again and again, watch video, play music, watch video, play music. Yeah,
Correct.
yeah. In future, Ableton actually, you can actually bring in one video track and you
Oh,
actually watch the video alongside.
oh, sick. Okay, okay. I didn't know
Yeah,
that.
yeah. So Ableton has a very basic ability to watch video.
I see.
So you can drag in your MP4 file and then it will play back while you're doing it. So you can do sound tracking that way. It's easier. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Time to switch.
You don't have to alt tab. That's quite simple.
All
Yeah.
right. Right. I see. Next time. Next time.
Yeah, next time. Yeah.
All right.
But
How,
good lah.
sorry, I was asking like, but how do you make your like the track itself like during the process with the Yarra?
They sent me the video. I have no idea what BPM Yarra is in, right? So I just went by feel.
Oh,
Went by feel, just turn the tempo, use the tempo, turn the tempo. Because I
oh,
got my push is turn the tempo, feel roughly lah, roughly. I
was that why
think
it's better on like the mood wheel? Because like it kind of gives like a more ambient vibe, so that like no matter what BPM you will at least like goes well.
well, I wanted the mood reel because to me when Yarra dances, right? Yarra dances very to me like cinematically. She's very dramatic. Yeah.
I see.
That's always been my sense of her dance is quite powerful. And I didn't want to reduce it to electronic genre like hip hop or something which would be kind of imposing my style onto not imposing my style but imposing a fixed style onto her dancing because I don't see her style of dancing as hip hop or her style of dancing as house music or any of those. Whereas she's got those big movements like go kaboom and kaboom. So it's like, to me, I felt that more cinematic. And because Live 11 has the mood reel, which is very cinematic sounds. It is like out of the box. You have all the cinematic sounds. I wanted to use it and it was new. Just freshly done.
Kind of very cyberpunky though, to be honest. Very cool. I like the vibes.
That particular bass line, I was in a very cyberpunk mood. So
Oh,
yes, you got the thing right. Yeah. And so I just had to change the tempo until it seems to be fitting. But the main thing actually was not so much will it fit on the beat? Because I'm improvising, right? The main thing is that when I see her move, do I change chord at that time?
so it was recording actually when you were doing it, like you play the video, then you play the instruments.
Yeah, so I'm actually holding on to the note. Then I see her move, then I change chord. So I had to watch a few times so I know, okay, I know that after this movement, she's going to throw herself on the floor. So I'm going to change chord. Pom. 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 Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, but you hear what she said, like I did not match every movement that she made. I matched some of the movement because it was very feel based. So some of her movements I thought, okay, you know, that movement, I'm not really feeling it. But she got some really intense movement. Yeah, that one, she raised her hands up. I must play something higher. Do, 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 do. Yeah, so at that point, then I improved it out.
I see.
Yeah, that way I could get more capture the feeling. Otherwise, if I were to program, I don't think I could get.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because she doesn't fit a fixed structure. Hers is very free flowing, so I had to free flow as well. Okay, I see everybody is here. Thanks, Jun Lin. Everybody, round of applause for Jun Lin. Go and watch his video, please. Go and like and subscribe. Go and click on the comments, you know.
That's cool.